Hey guys, Carey with DrillFit Training. I'm going to show y'all the Arnold press. This is one of my favorite shoulder exercises because it's all inclusive. It hits the front, middle, and rear delts. Let's get into it. I like to start this exercise with a moderate weight and then progressive overload. You're going to start with the dumbbells directly in front of your face, the back of your hands facing toward the mirror, and your elbows are going to be lined up right with the bottom of your chest. We're going to pull out and push directly up from there. Dumbbells right in front of your eyes. Come out as if you're going to do a military dumbbell press and then press straight to the top. Don't touch the dumbbells at the top of the exercise. Good control back down. Elbows line up right underneath the shoulders and then bring back in front. I like to do this as a 3-step process, which is a little bit different than some people's Arnolds. And you just get that all-inclusive shoulder burn. That good rotation out of the dumbbell and keeping our elbows right in line where they need to be, right in line with the bottom of your chest. It's what's really gonna get the entire shoulder cap. Whenever we come to the side, we're bringing our elbows out. The elbows are staying lined up with right underneath the shoulder, but they're also just slightly in front of the body. You don't want to bring them back too far. Keep your chest pretty high as you go through the exercise and maintain that load. That is going to be the Arnold press for shoulders.